Hello and welcome to my Sunday Front. Today I have a mic video where we test out a microphone. And I've tested out several, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check out some of those videos. And if you like any of my videos, please be sure to share because I'm trying to grow this channel. And so this is an Insignia clip-on mic. This is made for mobile. This is optimized for voice and improved audio. In the back it says it has a 6-foot cable and a pro-grade mic. It's got a lapel clip, a foam windscreen, carrying pouch, and the guide along with the mic. So it's for recording, and this is what it has inside of it. The guide is, it says it comes in different languages. Here it tells you what everything is. This is the lapel clip and the windscreen. I'm just not going to open it until I know it works. And the carrying pouch. That's pretty cute. It has like the name on the case. It's like leather. And here's the 6-foot cable and the clip with the mic. Oh, it already has a windscreen on it. So I guess this is like extra. And I have a clip for an adapter. I have an adapter. Because it's one of these. It's like a mic, not a microphone, a headphone jack. You just clip it on and then you plug it in. So here we go. We're gonna test it out, see if it works. Here we go, testing. If it works, you can still hear me. So there you go. I'm not sure. There's some of these adapters that come with a charger port, and I was thinking of using one of those instead in my try videos because some of these microphones work better with a charge to them, but I'm not sure how to do that because you can't charge the microphones. And yeah, some microphones don't work on mobile because they're, you know, they need a charge to them. But these are supposed to be made for mobile. It's just I have a hard time adjusting the audio because it's just a plain microphone. And I think for me, the only thing that I can do is probably upgrade my phone. And I mean, even if this works, like for me, the best thing I can do would be to upgrade the phone entirely because I have tried out several microphones, and for me the quality is really important, and the best quality I can find is actually built into the device itself. And in case you guys don't know and you're just now watching my channel, I record, upload, and do all my work on a mobile device. So it's not like I have a computer and high-tech equipment and a team of experts. It's just me and my phone. And that's how we get this channel, you know, going. It's not like a big old teamwork or anything hard or difficult about it. And that's what I like about my channel. But also, you know, as we grow, we're going to have to build and continue in that ways so we can satisfy a broader audience in a more professional manner. But for now, I mean, this is just me with a camera, with a phone, and, you know, just the basics. And it works. So, I mean, I don't really have a need to change, but like I said, I'm probably gonna have to upgrade the device because I've been trying, you know, like, and I like to be diverse. If I'm gonna try one microphone, I want to try several. And it's kind of like the current device that I'm using isn't like, you know, like I can't just use whatever. It has to specifically say made for mobile or made for iPhone. And that's fine. It's just I like I said, I like to be versatile. And so that's the only thing. But I mean, this is fun. I like trying different products and seeing what works. And like I said, I'm kind of particular about the audio. Not just the quality, but also the volume. Like if it doesn't go all the way up, I really don't really need to use it. If it doesn't, you know, like if it doesn't have a clear sound, or if it has like a incoming buzz, or, you know, like some type of hum problem, I don't really need it. Because like I said, the built-in microphone is fine. And, you know, it comes with the device, so there's no complaints there, obviously. But thank you guys for watching. If you like it, hit the like button. Yeah, don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video at my son different. Bye-bye.